In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to market on Reddit. We're going to walk through a simple example of creating a Reddit post that promotes what you do without feeling like spam. The goal here is to blend in with the community, provide value, and still get your offer in front of the right people. First, log into your Reddit account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right of the screen and click on the Create button. This is where you start any new post. At the top, choose the community or subreddit where you want to share your content. Make sure it's actually relevant to what you're offering and that self-promotion is allowed by their rules. Then pick the type of post you want to create: text, images and video, link, or poll. For this example, we'll focus on a text style post. Now, you'll see fields for your title and your main content. You want to write these in a way that feels like a story or a genuine experience, not a sales pitch. For example, you might start with something like, "I started an online fitness coaching service." This immediately tells people it's a real service, but it doesn't sound like an ad. The phrase "I started" makes it personal and natural, as if you're sharing your journey rather than pushing a product. Next, narrow down exactly who it's for. You could say, "For beginners who struggle to stay consistent." That line clearly defines your target audience and highlights a real problem, instead of just shouting, "Here's my thing, buy it." Reddit users respond better when you show you understand their struggles. Then, briefly explain what your service focuses on in simple terms. For example, it focuses on simple home workouts, weekly plans, and accountability. Notice how that breaks things into easy to digest features. There's no hype or buzzwords here, just clarity about what someone would actually get. After that, add a personal reason. "I started it because I noticed." And then share what you saw or experienced. This builds trust and makes your post feel genuine and human. To invite interaction, you can say something like, "I'd really appreciate feedback." That shifts the mood from promotion to discussion, which Reddit communities love. You can soften it even more with a line like, "I'm not really trying to sell anything yet." This reduces the perception of spam and shows honest intent. Finally, add, "Here's the link if anyone wants to take a look." Make the link feel optional, not forced, and place it at the end, after you've given context and value. The core idea is start with the problem, explain your service simply, share a personal reason, ask for feedback, and then add a soft optional link. When you're happy with your post, head to the bottom right and choose whether to save it as a draft, schedule it for later, or post it immediately. That's all you need to start marketing more effectively on Reddit.